Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be covering how to fix emoji while creating shortcut. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. So let's talk about the problem. Now when you open up your Snapchat, let me just open it up, then tap on the chat icon, then tap on the three dot icon on the top of the screen, and here you can see the option to create new shortcut. Just tap on that, select the friends you want to keep in the group or you want to create the shortcut to, then tap on create shortcut. Now here it says choose an emoji, please choose a single emoji character for this shortcut. So what you can do to tackle this problem is just by tapping OK, then giving a emoji to the group. I'm gonna just tap on this, then create shortcut, and here your shortcut will be created. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today. Hope this video was useful to you guys. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. A sub to the channel will be amazing. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.